just walked into our driveway and it is a sheet of ice. There's our camper. Shelterlogic looks great. All the snow fell down the side of it.
Yeah.
Looks great though.
It's holding up.
It held up just fine. I don't see any little critter footprints going in. This side. All down the side of it too. The snow just rolled right off or slid right off. Good.
I mean, it's not really pulling too tight on here.
No,
either.
it's fine.
I mean, it's got some pressure on it. You can see it, but...
Yeah. What are you going to do? We had 1.5 feet of snowfall here. How is it? Is it warm in there?
Yep.
It is, right? Oh, it feels good in here. Yep, no condensation. It looks great. Looks like something leaked out of the ATV. Something black. Could it have just been mud?
Yeah, I think it's just water.
Does it feel greasy?
Is that coolant? No, it doesn't feel greasy. It just feels wet. I'm gonna see. We have to pull this out.
All right.
Just could have been frozen and dripped off the ATV.
Just muddy water? Okay.
We'll check the fluids, but...
So when the driveway's frozen, this is how you move your stuff. I'm gonna try to get it up there with the Polar trailer. And we are loaded up. Well, you gotta do the best you can under the circumstances, right?
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Where there's a will, there's a way. You're right, hun.
It ain't pretty.
We did it. You all right, honey?
Yeah.
What happened? Is it slippery?
No, I tripped on something I didn't see. I was walking backwards.